Hi boys and girls, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the CV axle boot, the stretch-on type, not the cut and glue type. I don't really trust those seem like they'll fall apart. So this is the type we're talking about. So this is gonna go onto 1983 scirocco. Get this stuff out in here. This is our Amazon open box special. But so this is the boot, this is the clamps, and that's some grease that comes with it. One thing you will need, make sure to get it, is this construction here. You can get them for like 10 bucks on Amazon. So that's what you need for those to pretty much secure the boot. So usually you need something to stretch the boot over. I don't have that special tool. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this contraption here. I'm just gonna cut it like right here, and once I cut it, we're gonna pretty much slip this over, because this little end needs to pretty much be about this thick when it slips over the boot, or you won't be able to slip it over. So let's get it all cut off and we'll go from there. All right. Too much crap over here. Alright, let's see what we're gonna use to cut this bad boy off. The beauty of it, you can still use it. It's still somewhat usable after the installation. So yeah, it's all about being cheap right here. Alright, cool. Now let's grab a heat gun and we'll go from there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna flip the boot upside down like this, so it holds. Try to keep it warm. Alright, so okay, take some grease. So now I'm gonna try to do an acrobatic move over here. Let's put this bad boy over this guy. I have to get a little bit better grip and use a heat gun. Didn't record this because no point of recording using the heat gun for 10 minutes trying to slide this on. Now we're just using plastic pry bar to slide this over. There it goes. Okay, so now since it's here, I'm gonna turn it the proper way around now. Okay. So slippery. So many jokes I could say right now, but lately people do tell me that I curse a lot. So I'm trying for you guys not to. So now, since we got it on, we're gonna have to pretty much measure it, cut it, and grease it, and then put the freaking strap on there. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna secure it from the back, so it's not as crazy slippery. And once it's secured from the back, then we measure it, cut it, secure it from the front, grease it, and then secure it from the front. my little plier. So now, let's see. So there's a lip in the back over here. Once you pull it over the lip, start working it. Then, once you move it up, grab your little and then we're gonna try to break this bastard off. Okay, so once it's broken off, we do this, and now we're gonna cut the boot to fit. So, cut it right here. Take your time, don't rush it. You don't want to. Well, what are you guys doing over there? You don't want to damage your brand new boot, because they are a pain in the ass to do and pain in the ass to get to. And I can guarantee you, your favorite auto parts store won't take it back if you bring it back yet. No, stop eating that. There you go. And you have one nice looking boot with some grease on it. Alright my friends, hopefully you liked the video. Please hit that subscribe thingy and the bell. Hope you have a good day. Take care. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?